Today I will tell you how to extend the battery life of an Android phone to more than 3 days by applying the appropriate power saving mode. See, the current battery power percentage is 87%. To activate power saving mode, click the settings icon on home screen. It will open up the settings screen. At the settings screen, click the device maintenance feature to open up the device maintenance screen. At the device maintenance screen, see that currently the maintenance status of the phone is excellent and optimized. To open up the battery life position, click the battery icon. At the battery screen, see with current battery life percentage of 87%, estimated battery life is 1 day and 8 hours. If you want to extend this battery life to 1 day 14 hours, click the power saving mode medium. It will open up a pop-up. For activating the medium power saving mode, Android will deactivate the background network usage, always on display and speed limiter. To get the medium power saving mode, click the apply button to get more than 5 hours and 2 minutes extra time. After some work, the battery screen will display that at that time the estimated battery life was 1 day and 12 hours. But if you want to get maximum battery power life, click maximum to get 3 days and 17 hours. To get 3 days and 17 hours power estimated life, just click the apply button. It will disable the background network usage and will provide you 57 hours and 38 minutes extra battery life. To get the extra battery power saving, Android will work upon the following features available in the background. Number 1, decrease brightness. Number 2, setting screen resolution. Number 3, adjust speed limiter. Number 4, background network usage. Number 5, always on display feature. Number 6, set limited number of usable apps. Number 7, apply dark theme. After the process, Android will open up the home screen, which is currently displaying the estimated battery life of 88 hours and 3 minutes when the remaining battery power is 83%. If you want to get the longer estimated remaining battery life, opt for the battery saving feature of the Android phone. For more Android working tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.